F. B-A-G. Bag. Correct.
Borno State, anyway, His Excellency is the presiding.
Currently, we've enrolled 33,000 learners, 550 on the Nigerian Learning Passport platform. And not just that, we have more than 70% of these learners complete a course that has shown improvement in their learning status. I can assure you that this initiative is in collaboration with the Borno State government, in particular the Ministry of Education and the Universal Basic Education Board. And yes, this conflict is also has also affected the learning, bring out issues in learning gap for the children. So the Nigerian passport is a model that is used to not just in the conventional classroom support to bridge those gaps, because it's a digital learning, of course. At every point in time, whether you're at home, whether in the class, you can use the digital platform to learn.